Hey guys! So today we're gonna have dinner with my friends in Grapevine, Katipunan. So, yeah, hindi na ako nakapag-video na nag-aayos cause I was in a hurry to use my fit check. Okay, let's go. Late na ako.
It's okay, you can just video using this. That's yan.
Si Mayor nandito. Sino to? Dito.
Yung principal natin.
Yung principal andito.
Thank you.
Andito pala si Tita B, hindi niya man sinabi.
Oo,
Ay!
nakatakas na yung Squid Game.
Nakatakas sa Squid Game.
Sino daw? Nakatakas na yung Squid Game.
Oh. Sir, anong ginagawa mo dito?
Hindi, kumukha ko specific time. I don't know why.
When her bangs were flat.
Yeah.
Yeah, when you were younger pa. Okay.
Uy,
Si Isa nga, ipapatong nga yan sa cake. Mamaya. Hindi so Isa.
Dapat sinabi mo sabi lumaki ka na, girl. Ang laki mo na sabi. Ay, ang pangit mo na sabi. ito.
please pasundo sa house niya after Grapevine because my mom said it's gonna be really traffic going home. Thank you.
No, it's not allowed. Biglang nag-go sa picture lang kita.
Sige, hihayin mo si hihayin mo si...
Pero mamaya ka ba?
Anong tawag? Lito naman.
Ako naman si-share.
You're gonna take the pang share na din.
Kaya kung ayaw namin, hindi mo pwede kunin. Which way?
Yung mga Oreos. Yes, so guys, we're going to take pictures. Gulo. Let's G.
Okay, let's go.
I want to be in the front.
Say hi! Hi! Wala na.
Oh, yellow. Sorry ah. The chips ahoy.
The Chips Ahoy! Naiiwan si Isa and Erin.
Okay, na-burn natin. Na natin yung yung
Malayo ba?
songs lang. Nasa dulo ng white plane.
Okay, let's burn. Let's burn the calories. Tingnan mo bukas kasi yung nakakadating doon. Si Jake kasi. Sabi niya close.
Open.
Wow. Tayo lang tao. It is.
Sige, sus ko.
Sus na lang. Tara. Si Yodi, nasa si Jazz. Ayun si Jazz. Of course.
7 p.m. daw.
What time is it? Sayang talaga, napagod ako dun eh.
How's your sea salt matcha?
So good. Smell. Ay, yes. Hindi ko order.
What the heck? It's better than the normal.
Try it. I prefer matcha.
Really? Si Jenna nga
Bye, Sophie.